Hello friends, we got a situation here on the washer. It's not draining, so we're gonna have to check. I already take the water off from here from the washer. So the next step to do the diagnosed is to check out the pump to see what's going on. Sometimes it gets stuck with dirty, sand and all that like this. So that's why it has a problem, not pumping and not draining. Maybe the pump has something stuck on it. So I already take out the water and all that. So I wanna check out on the bottom. So I wanna, going down the washer and to see what's going on with the pump. So I saw a video with these guys. So I'm gonna go with you guys. I also like to flip the washer upside down. Not all of them, but I like to put something on it. And right now we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna put it back on. Try to work on it, and to put some. I use this as a paint can. So try to point it backwards over there, and then so I can have more space over here. So I can go in there, down there. So I have a drive here and a knife. I was looking for the screwdriver. If I find these and this, so we're gonna go here inside. I already disconnect this. Those two, like to show you guys. To go in here and take those screws in there. The bottom there. So to go there and try to fix the thing, to take it off, and then I have one more screw to take it off and to see what's going on. And that's how you come out over here and check everything. Everything looks okay. Everything looks good and all that, like for the rings and spin, it's working good. Only on the here that needs a little work on the pump. So see, because it's not draining, I have to take out the hoses through the back over there to the door, throw it over the back. That's why, because of the maybe something is stuck in here in the pump. So I'm working on it. So I want to work on there. So let's see. So we'll wait. Okay, guys. Not whatever light. So no, it's the flashlight from here. So when I finish, I will make another video showing the pump. It was really they stuck in there or some dirty stuff or whatever. All right. So this is how to the washer's not draining. How to fix it. Okay. See you guys.